I'm an athlete and a workaholic, so it is crucial that I have sustained energy throughout my day, not just for my day-to-day activities, but also to sustain me for my physical regimen. OXYVA has made such a profound impact in my life. I've noticed an increase in awareness, I've slept better, and my concentration has improved so much. At work, I wear many different hats and I manage a lot of different types of personalities. One day, one of my coworkers came up to me and asked what I could attribute to my newfound energy and my alertness, and I had explained to him it was OXYVA. It has completely changed my life. He was a little bit skeptical. He suffers from type 2 diabetes, and he also has issues with weight gain and with circulation issues in his limbs. So he was, a little bit tired of hearing about all these remedies that can help, but I just assured him of all of its benefits, the improvement with concentration, the ability to work out at full capacity, I sleep better, and I just truly felt this overwhelming new sense of energy. And he was on board, he wanted to try it. So a few days after he had given it the good old college try, he came to work exclaiming how incredible he felt. He noticed real improvements, and this is coming from somebody who felt truly hopeless with his disease and with his setbacks. And it was so invaluable to see what a difference it made in his life and to be able to really see tangibly those improvements. What a difference OXYVA has made, not only in my life, but in the lives of people that I truly care about. The results are endless, and the benefits are for everyone, no matter what stage of life that you're in.